Harshini. I am studying 7th A from Kamanam International School. Hello students! Welcome back to the online algebra class at home. This is Unit 2 of Day 2. Every day you will be attending this online class. So please make sure that you have a student reader book, workbook and a notebook with you at all times while attending this online class. We already know that algebra have 5 parts, that are phonics, whole words, reading and listening comprehension, grammar and writing and speaking expression. These are the algebra parts. Today let's start with phonics section. See children, please read these 2 words. Chair. Chair. It makes ch sound. What? Ch sound. Now, school. School. K sound. Here only it makes k sound. See, these 2 are same ch, but it makes different sound. Today you are going to learn different sound of this. These different words are advanced sound patterns. What? Advanced sound patterns. See, that is CH words. First we can see CH words. This makes K sound. Say me K sound. Let's read. School. 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 Stomach. 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 Next. Cord. 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 Echo. 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 Next, read PH words. PH words that are oof sound. PH make sound. That are, let's see some examples. Graph. 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 And next. Onyx. Onyx. Phonics. Phonics. Next. On. Phone. Next. Sickle. Sickle. Physical. That's it for phonics section. We learned about that CH words and PH words. These are advanced sound patterns. Now let's go to the next section, that is whole word section. You're going to read that homophones. Homophones. Okay? What are homophones? Homophones are same sound but different meaning and different spelling. That's our homophones. We read homophones in the last class. Let us read some more examples. Please read this, students. What does this homophone means? It's right. I am a dancer. It's right. I am a dancer. R-I-G-H-T. I write my diary every day. I write my diary every day. W-R-I-T-E. Now see, what do these 2 homophones mean? Yes, R-I-G-H-T, right, means I correct. What? Correct. And W-R-I-T-E, right, means to write a note in a pen, not pencil. That is this word. Next. Next is K-N-O-T, knot, and N-O-T, knot. K-N-O-T, knot means to tie any piece of bond in a rope or strike. And N-O-T, knot means it's a negative word of something. Can be any. Your ma'am will say that it's not right. If my ma'am will say no, that only. Next. Name. I ate some mangoes yesterday. I ate some mangoes yesterday. S-O-M-E. S-O-M-E. The total sum I got for winning prize was 500 rupees. S-U-M sum. S-O-M-E sum. S-O-M-E sum means a little amount as a quantity. And S-U-M sum means the adding some quantities or more quantities. Next is both their sons know how to cook. Both their sons know how to cook. S-O-N-S. I like like walking in the sun with the park when the sun is out. I like walking in the park when the sun is out. S-U-N sun and S-O-N sun. What does this homophone mean? S-O-N sun means the male gender of his parents. S-U-N sun means a star which revolves the earth is called sun. Then next, H-E-R-E. H-E-R-E here and H-E-A-R. H-E-A-R. H-E-R-E means come a particular place, point a particular place. And H-E-A-R means to listen something. To listen something. B-R-A-K, break, and to stop some work in order to have a pause or vacations. It can be also break any, if you're doing any works, you can take any break. Then B-R-A-K-E, thus break means in your vehicle have some break. So that only. Next, what does this homophone mean? I usually have to wait 15 minutes to catch my train. And my and my brother wait are same. W-E-I-G-H-T wait and W-A-I-T wait. W-A-I-T wait means to stop and W-E-I-G-H-T wait means to play something. It's a wait of a person or anything. Then last, the dog wagged his tail. The dog wagged his tail. My father tells me tale every night. T-A-I-L tail and T-A-L-E tail. What does this homophone mean? T-A-I-L tail means the part of an animal extends its back is called a tail. And T-A-L-E tail means a story. Okay students, that's it for homework section. Today we learned more about homophones. Let's go to the next part of our lesson, that is reading and listening comprehension. Please open SR6 in your student reader book. I'll wait for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. I think so you have black post in that, that is Fred or foe. Today I'm going to say that. Let me read it. A handy device come inside in our world. The handy device make changing in our world. All the one not using the letters to put anything. They are using that handy device. They are playing with that mobile, that handy device only. They are not coming playing outside. You know that what is that handy device? Yes, that handy device name is mobile phone. Now it's become a smartphone. Yes, using this mobile phones, all the children are playing games. They are finding different games in that. See, in children's also, a baby also know how to play that mobile phone. But in before time, a helpline phone only had. It will be attached in the car also, and when first is attached in the car, then only it came to the handline phone. Okay, so mobile phone has become a, you can take and go anywhere place, but the helpline phone you cannot take and go anywhere. And it's harmful for us too. It's harmful. Mobile phone is also harmful us, because when you're seeing more mobile phones, it will harm our eyes and dryness, become dryness. And when you're using this mobile phone, you should be careful when you're using. When your internet you're using, be careful. Then only you should ask, without your permission, without your mother or father permission, you should not take the mobile phone. That is very bad. Okay children, this is a friend or foe story. For this story, I think I learned more things. For now, I'm going to take a new topic and I'm going to explain you. Pros and cons. In this friend or foe, you should find a pros and cons. Pros means advantages and cons means disadvantages. You should find this. Okay, sir. Okay, students. That's it for reading and listening comprehension. Let's go to the next lesson, that is grammar. Before starting this grammar, there are some new words in that reading and listening comprehension. Let us see it. Yes. New words. Comfortably. Comfortably. Comfortably means what? Yes, it should be very comfortable. For example, Distance means to distance between themselves. That's it for reading and listening comprehension. Let us go to the next section, that is grammar. Yesterday we learned about simple and continuous tense and perfect tense. Today we are going to read the rules. For present perfect form, let us see it. Subject plus, verb plus, ed plus, object. This is called present perfect tense. Let's see one example. They work together. Here, subject is they and verb is work, and we added ed. What? Ed, worked. What? They worked. And object is together. Together. The sentence is they worked together. Let's go to the present continuous form. That is subject plus, verb plus, ing plus, object. Is called the rule. Let's see one example. I am walking in the park. Here I am a subject and verb is walk, and we added ing. So it makes walking, and object is in the park. In the park. So the word is I am walking in the park. I am walking in the park. Now let's go to the future continuous tense. Future continuous tense. Subject plus, will be plus, verb plus, ing plus object. Let us see one example. That is, Anita will be teaching the science class. Anita will be teaching the science class. Here, subject is Anita and we use will be here, and verb is teach. We added ing for teaching. Ing plus teach is teaching. And the object is the science class. The science class. So it's make the Anita will be teaching the science class. Next, future perfect form. That is subject plus, will be plus, verb plus, ed plus, object. We will take Lokesh will have teach the students tomorrow. See, here subject is Lokesh, will have we put it here, and verb is teach. We added with teach with the teacher, and object is the students will teach tomorrow. Let's go to the past perfect tense. Subject plus, had plus, verb plus, ed plus, object. As Reena had played in the football. Reena had played football. Its subject is Reena, had we used here, and verb is play. We added ed here, and the object is the football. Now let's see the past continuous tense. That is subject plus, verb plus, was plus, verb plus, ing plus, object. The sentence is, my brother was walking in road. My brother was walking in the road. Here subject is my. We are use the was, brother walks. Subject is my brother, and we use walks, and verb is walk, and ing we use, and in room, in road. That's it. See students, that's it for grammar section. Let's go to the writing and speaking expression. In today's class, you are going to learn how to write a speech. See, this is a speech format. You should see it. See, there should be a title, introducing yourself, body, and a conclusion. Title will be a greetings. Introduction will be an introself or topic. Body should be a statement 1 with the evidence and details, and statement 2 is evidence and details, and lastly it should be concluded. Now, I am going to give you 10 seconds to observe it. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay students, that's it. Tomorrow I will come in a new topic. Okay students, that's it. Bye.